Sometimes you may need to present a detail of a part at a greater scale. For this reason, you can create a detail view to show a portion of a view, usually at an enlarged scale. To create a detail view, I will activate the Detail View tool, which can be found in the Drawing ribbon. Now, to create the detail view, I have to draw a circle that will enclose the part of the component that I want to focus on. However, before I do that, I will go to the Property Manager palette to change the display style. In this example, I will activate the Use Parent Style option, so the detail view will have the same display style as the parent view. Now I will click on the center of the hole, and then I will move the cursor and click again to specify the circle's radius. Notice that once I clicked to specify the radius of the circle, the detail view appeared attached on the cursor. All I have to do is click on the paper to place the detail view and then move on to the Property Manager palette to see the options that I have. The Detail Circle Group settings have to do with the circle that encloses the detail. If I expand the style list, I can change the symbol that indicates the detail view. If I select the Broken Circle option, the letter of the detail view appears in the gap of the circle. If I select with the Leader option, then a full circle appears, and next to this circle appears the name of the detail view. In addition, the center of the circle is joined with the detail view's name with a leader. If I select the No Leader option, then a full circle appears with the detail name next to it. Last but not least, with the Connected option, a full circle appears that connects directly to the detail view with a leader. In this example, I will restore the Per Standard option, which uses the Sheet Standard. In this case, I have selected the ISO standard. Now let's move on to the Label field. In the Label field, I can set the name of the detail view. In this example, I will type the letter A and I will press Enter. Notice that the name of the detail view changed. The Detail View group has to do with the detail view itself. With the No Outline option, the outline of the profile used to create the detail view is removed. With the Full Outline option, the entire circle which defines the boundary of the detail view appears. With the Jagged Outline option, a jagged outline of the detail view appears. In this example, I will deactivate the Full Outline and I will activate the Jagged Outline option. Now, if I move the slider, I can adjust the shape intensity. If I activate the Pin Position option, then the detail view is kept in the same relative position on the drawing sheet, even if I change the scale of the view. I will activate this option and I will go to the Scale options to change the scale of the view. With the Use Custom Scale selected, I will expand the list and I will select the 1:2 scale. Notice how clearly the detail view is displayed. Now that I have finished creating the detail view, I will click on the checkmark. So as you can see, creating detail views is not difficult. You can create your own detail views in your own drawings to present details of your parts.